Welcome to your world, where communication is king. It's a world where friends network, companies do business, families feel closer at the click of a button. All thanks to broadband. At Two-Way, our new state-of-the-art satellite delivers fast internet speeds for everyone, everywhere. And because Two-Way is a satellite connection, you don't need a phone line. Wherever you live, Two-Way delivers up to 10 megabits per second, straight to your home or office. Farmhouse to city flat, Two-Way is available to everyone with the same great quality. In lots of rural locations and some city ones too, the phone lines aren't good enough to deliver fast broadband, and probably never will be. Thanks to Two-Way, that doesn't matter. Our satellite delivers broadband directly from space. Unlike other broadband providers, we don't need to rely on telephone cables. Let's show you what we mean. Welcome to Two-Way Street, where everyone benefits from great connections. People like Max. He uses his Two-Way broadband every day. Before Max got satellite broadband, he couldn't watch films, listen to music, or share photos on his computer. It was just too slow. Now try stopping him. This is Emma. She runs a business which relies on fast broadband. Before Two-Way, she felt isolated by her slow internet connection. Thanks to Two-Way, she's better connected and busier than ever. Now her only problem is keeping up with all the new orders. And here's the really great bit. It's unbelievably easy to get Two-Way. All you need is a small satellite dish on the outside of your property. We can install it for you or send you the kit if you're feeling practical, and then simply plug in your computer and off you go. It's really that simple. It's affordable too, starting from just €1 per day. Whether you need the internet for you, your family or your job, there's a Two-Way package to suit every pocket. So there you have it, fast internet coverage across every corner of Europe. It's broadband for everyone, everywhere, now. Two-Way, fast internet for everyone.